Hi everyone, I just got this cup Jetty, like a gift from a company I know. So today I'm gonna make a quick video to show you guys what the feature, the unboxing of this one, what we have inside, and my personal feeling about this one on my day-to-day uses. So welcome to my videos. This is the box. You can see that this cup comes with very good packaging, like a lot of foam like this, to ensure that my cup doesn't have any damage on the way whatsoever. The first impression is pretty good. The cup's actually heavier than what I expected. Jetty on one side, and there's a engraving also on the other side. Look really legit. Yep, all good. So let's push that away and then have a look at this bad boy. All right, so have a look inside. You can see that it's come up with, oh, it's pretty. Okay, so open up the lid. We have inside very cool sticker. I love it. It's gonna go straight into my laptop. Love it. Register your YETI. There's a URL to sign in and some instruction. Use a QR code, you know, like at the bottom of the cup to register your product. And this is a care and use guideline. Pretty cool. I love it. Straight away. Okay, so this is the cup. You can see that the lid's actually closable. Whenever we close it, it's create a very snap sounds, very sexy, very secure. It's say 100% leak free, so I'm gonna make some tests with that. But we love it. And the first impression, actually, the cup is pretty big, 20 ounce, about 590 something millimeter, almost 600. Very comprehensive, I would say. It's come up with the matte black color, which I love the most. Actually, it feels really cool. Very this look like glass, but actually it's pretty heavy and made up hard plastic. The material feels really premium. Here's a pending for patents. Awesome. I did some research and they say it's come up with the magnetic mechanism inside, so that's why every time you close and open it, it's very like adhesive, I would say. It's good for the liquid inside the cup. It's a double wall tumbler for hot and cold. I'm gonna show you some spec afterward. But on this side you can see that the logo engraving with laser, and I think it feels really good. Awesome. I also want to make a quick comparison from this new guy with the cup that I've been using in the last 6 or 9 months from Clean Canteen. You see a bit smaller, 16 ounces, also double wall, but you can see that the lid's not closable. So if you tilt the cup like this, all the liquid inside is going to be, you know, like falling out. I got that happen a couple times even for my laptop. So I really love the new feature of the YETI when you can actually close it completely like this. Also inside, this cup is significantly lighter, I would say. The cup's quite good. What I like about this clean canteen is that the wall of the cup actually thicker. It's create like a nice feeling when you drink from the cup. But the lid actually is incomparable. Like this lid, like it look cool from the beginning, but during like after 6 or 9 months, it's really sketchy, and then um, it doesn't feel like it's just premium like this one. Yeah, and the biggest difference is about the lock here. You can really compare. Oh, this one have the hole for hot liquid. This one doesn't. Let's see how it goes. I'm not sure how it works. But if you compare inside, it's just different. Like I'm gonna see how it goes in the next couple of weeks. So on the website, they really say 100% leak free. So I'm making some tests right now. Really excited to see how it goes. So I put some water inside. Just water, no ice, nothing else. Just close it. It's really hard, like completely sealed. Close it. Let's see. Oh, no, it's not really. It's still leaking, you can see. Well, I think it's still better than this one, I guess, but still not 100% leak free. Probably I used that incorrectly, I guess. I need to check with them. But it shouldn't be a problem for me. Because like when I just quickly drop it like this, I just quickly pick it up, and then it's gonna be only a couple drops on whatever laptop, like notebook and everything. It's not like the half of a cup like for the clean canteen one. But yeah, what about 100% leak free? Still curious. Wow, now I need to clean my table. That sucks. Why did I compare this YETI with the clean canteen Tumbler? I think the main reason is that this is the only cup that I've been using for 6-9 months, so it's very like reasonable and easy for me to compare. Also, you can see that they are pretty similar. Both YETI and Clean Canteens are the leading companies in when it's come to drinkware, bottle, picnic wear. So they are quite in similar size, same purposes, I would say. So yeah, just to conclude, I think this cup tumbler is a really good one. Uh, Fairly priced, not really pricey, like a good brand, like one of the top brand, I'd say. Really recommend it. So if you want a cup that you can carry around every day for tea, coffee, or even water, go and grab one of these. Come with the varieties of many colors, size. So find yourself a good tumblers in your size, in your favorite colors. Cheers.
Let's check out what we have on the website. This is the model I have in the color, matte black. This is 20 ounces tumbler, 591 millimeters. You can see that we have a number of different color for your choice. We have copper, graphite, white, stainless steel, sea foam, chartreuse, navy, black. That's the one I have, and knot hoods. In Australia, the listed price for retail is 39.95, almost $40. For the dimension and specs, it is 8.9 centimeters wide when you measure the lead, and it's 17.5 centimeter height. It's weight about 400 grams with no liquid inside. For the technology and features, they say it is 19/8 stainless steel, and this is kitchen grade, which is safe for food and drink. double wall for vacuum insulations. Keep the cold drink and hot drink. It doesn't say how long it's gonna last for hot and drink. But it shouldn't be a problem for me personally because I generally drink my coffee and tea fairly quickly. I'm not gonna leave it for a whole day or half a day, no matter if it's cold or hot. So it should be okay for me. Dishwasher safe, pretty cool in Australia, I'd say. The other brand, Clean Canteen, doesn't offer this, only hand washing recommended. Additional feature, shatter resistant construction with max slider. This is the one I was talking about, the magnetic mechanism inside the lead magnet. Easier to close and to open. Snow sweat design trademark. This is something especially about YETI. Oh, so actually they didn't claim to be 100% leak free, so my bad. I think this was about another portal. There was some confusion when I checked their website in the first place. Sorry for that. So yeah, this was totally fine for this tumbler to be leaking like that in my previous testing. Sorry for the confusion, guys. Should be okay for me, I think, as I said. Pretty cool. 39.95 for this tumbler like this. I think it's totally reasonable and really worth an investment for your day-to-day, like drinking companions. Cheers.